Everybody, this is CR number 5, helper video for question number 4. So we are going to go ahead and do this, and then hopefully you'll be able to understand a little bit better. All right, first thing we're going to do is read this problem. It says a person lost in an office building travels up 3 floors in an elevator, then down 1 floor, then up 5 more floors, then down another 4 floors. What number sentence would represent the situation? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to highlight some important information. Well, first of all, they travel up 3 floors. That's the first thing right there. Then I'm going to switch colors for the next step because then they travel down 1 floor. So I'm going to underline the downs. And then I'm going to go back because it says up 4 more floors. So I'm going to circle that again in the purple so it matches. So all of my ups are in one color. Then it says down another 4 floors. There we go. I'm going to underline that. It says what number sentence would represent this situation? All right. Well, first of all, let's take a look at what we have written here. When we go up 3 floors, I'm hoping all of you realize that going up would be a positive number. Okay? So if I'm going up 3, that would be a positive 3 to start. Because I'm at 0, I'm at the main floor. So if I'm going up 3 floors, that would mean plus 3. Next step, we're going to look at going down 1 floor. When I go down a floor, that would mean I would be subtracting a floor from where I was at. So that is why it is a negative number. Now my next statement says up 5 more floors. If I'm going up, that is a positive statement. I'm going back up 5 floors. So remember, I'm going up 3 on the elevator. Then I went ahead and went down 1. Then I went ahead and I went up 5 more from there. And now finally it says I'm going down another 4 floors. If I'm going down another 4, that means it's a negative number, negative 4. So let's go ahead and find the number sentence that matches that statement. And we have plus 3, minus 1, plus 5, minus 4. These two totally match each other. So my answer is D. Go ahead and try that problem on your own.